Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, which is square root. Here is the definition of square root. The square root of a positive number is that positive number whose square is the given number. For understanding this definition, here is the example. Students, here we take 16 as a positive number. When we take square root of it, we got 4. And if we take square of 4, we got the number back, which is 60. The symbol used for the square root is this. You all familiar with this sign? Students, today we will find out the square root of natural numbers by prime factorization method. Let's read the method. First of all, find prime factors, then make pairs of these factors. Choose one prime number from each pair and then find the product of all those prime factors, which will be the square root of the given number. Now students, let's start our exercise number 2.3. Question number 1. Here is our exercise number 2.3. Question number 1. Find the square root of the following by prime factorization method. Students, in today's lecture, we will find out the square root of natural numbers by using our method of prime factorization. Our first part is 784. Let's start its solution. Our first step is by taking square root of 784 by prime factorization method. You all know that first we will find out the prime factors of a number 784. Students, as you can see that there is 4 end of the number, so we will divide this number with 2. By dividing, we got 392, and when we divide 392 with 2, we got 196, and 196 is divisible by 2, we got 98. When we divide 98 with 2, we got 49, and 49 is only divisible by 7, so 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So the prime factors of 784 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Now students, we will write all the factors within the sign of square root, then we make pair of the numbers. Here is the pair of 2, then next the pair of 2, and then next pair of 7. Now students, we will make square of the numbers 2 square into 7 square. Students, as you can see that always square cancel with the square root, so students, I told you here that this square cancelled with the square root. Why is it cancelled with square root? Because the value of square root is equal to 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 when multiply with 2, this 2 is of square, they both cancel each other. We have numbers 2 into 7, we multiply all the numbers, we got 28. As you all know that 2 2s are 4 and 4 7s are 28, so the square root of 784 is equal to 28. We will write the answer as, so square root of 784 is equal to 28, which is our answer. Now students, here is our part 3, which has a natural numbers 2809. Students, first we will take square root of it, square root of number 2809. Now students, we will find out the prime factors of number. Here it is. Students, this natural number is only divisible by the prime number 53, so we will divide 2809 with 53, we got 53, and 53 ones are 53. We will write the numbers 53 into 53 under the square root sign. We will make pair of it. Here you can see that 53 square cancel with the square root, we got 53. So square root of 2809 is equal to 53, which is our answer. Now students, here is our 5184. First we will take square root of it, square root of 5184. Now students, we will find out the prime factors of the number. Here are the prime factors of 5184. When we divide it with 2, we got 2592, and when we divide 2592 with 2, we got 1296, and when we divide this number with 2, we got 648, and when we divide 648 with 2, we got 324, and when we divide 324 with 2 we got 162, and when we divide 162 with 2 we got 81. Students, 81 is not divisible by 2. Now students, we will divide 81 with 3, we got 27. 27 is again divisible by 3, so when we divide 27 with 3 we got 9, and 9 is also divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 5184 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3. Now students, we will write all the prime factors under the sign of square root. We will make pair of it. After making pairs, we will make a square of it. Here you can see that 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. As you all know that square cancel with the square root, so we will cancel it. Now we have numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now students, when we multiply all the numbers we got 72. So the square root of 5184 is equal to 72, which is our answer. Now students, here is our part 7, 1296. Students, first we will write by taking square root. Here we will put the square root sign on the natural number given to us, which is 1296. Now students, we will find out the prime factors of the number. When we divide 1296 with 2 we got 648, and when we divide it with 2 we got 324, and when we divide 324 with 2 we got 162, and when we divide 162 with 2 we got 81. 81 is not divisible by 2. Now students, we will divide 81 with 3, we got 27. Again 27 is divisible by 3, so we got 9, and 9 is again divisible by 3, we got 3, and then 3 is only divisible by 3, so 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 1296 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now students, we will write all the prime factors under the square root sign. We will make pair of it. Here you can see that pair of 2, pair of 2, pair of 3 and pair of 3. Now students, we will make square of it. 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. As you all know that square is cancelled with the square root sign, so we will cancel it. We have the numbers left 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. As you all know that 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. So square root of 1296 is equal to 36, which is our answer. Now students, here is our part 8, 1764 given to us. We have to find out the square root of the number. First we will write by taking square root of 1764. Now students, we will find out the prime factors of number. Here it is. When we divide 1764 with 2 we got 882. When we divide 882 with 2 we got 441. Students, this number now we will divide with 21. 21s are 441, and when we divide 21 into 21 we got 1. Now students, we will write all the prime factors under the square root sign. As you can see that 2 into 2 into 21 into 21. Now students, we will make pair of it, pair of 2 and pair of 21. Now students, we will make square of it, 2 square into 21 square. Now students, we will cancel out the square root sign with the squares of number. Now we have numbers 2 into 21. Now students, when we multiply the numbers we got 42. So square root of 1764 is equal to 42, which is our answer. Now students, here is our part 9, 29,241. First we will write by taking square root. Here is the square root sign under which our number given to us, 29,241. Now students, we will find out the prime factors of this number. Here are the prime factors. When we divide 29,241 with 3 we got 9,747. When we divide it with 3 again we got 3,249. This number is again divisible by 3. When we divide it we got 1083, and when we divide 1083 with 3 we got 361. This number is only divisible by 19. When we divide it 19 we got 19, and 19 ones are 19. So the prime factor of number are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 19 into 19. We write all the prime factors under the square root sign. We will make pair of it. Now students, we will make square of it. 3 square into 3 square into 19 square. As you all know that squares cancel with the square root sign, so we will cancel it. We got numbers left 3 into 3 into 19. When we multiply all the numbers, we got 171. So square root of 29,241 is equal to 171, which is answer.